parkour roll.
Okay, we're going to look at the parkour roll now, basically. I mean, this really is as fundamental as it gets. It really is the basic move, but really, really important. Something that you use all the time. Anytime that you're doing a jump that might be off of any reasonable height, you want to be rolling out of, because the whole point of the roll is that it takes out the energy, takes out the impact, and reduces that, so that you kind of save in your joints, really. And as I said, you use it on so many things. Anytime that you're doing flips, maybe off of something higher, or if you slightly over rotated, you can save yourself by going into the roll. And it's just a really nice way to flow through things and flow through objects, but also to kind of, like I said, save the impact on your joints. So that's the whole purpose of the roll. And we'll look at some demonstrations in a minute and break it down. But the whole key thing behind the roll, Matt, if you come over here a sec, turn around. So the whole key point with the roll, basically, like a gymnast roll, for example, goes straight down the spine. But if you went straight down the spine on concrete, for example, you're just going to do yourself some damage and hurt yourself. So the key point with this one is that you're going to enter just over the shoulder, and you roll across the back and exit just down at the lower back on the other side. So the point of contact literally rolls down at that kind of angle, yeah? So Matt, if you can just show us a roll quickly now. Nice. It's very smooth. The point of contact doesn't change, you know, there's contact throughout. Obviously, if you hit the top of your shoulder and you're open, then the middle section of your back won't even make contact with the floor, and then you'll find more impact there. So you want to kind of get a nice curve, and that's the whole point. It's a roll, so curl up, get the roll smooth, and as you come out, you can really start flowing it and push out afterwards. Matt, if you want to show us one quickly. Nice. And everyone's got a slightly different style to how they do their roll, and that's the great thing with it, because it's all about practice and developing what works for you and what's smooth for you and what reduces the impact best for you. As I said, the whole main point for it is to take that impact out. So if you are doing jumps, you can start looking at practicing it with a bit of impact. So even like I do on the floor all the time, just as if it was practicing a jump and then practicing my roll and smoothly going out of it. There, and you see the smooth transition, and if you hit it well, then it really does flow, and you can really kick out of it with some speed and carry on to wherever you want to go on from there, really. And it's as simple as that. It's something that you've got to keep practicing, keep trying, and see what works best for you, really.